Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for your future: how to build a robust financial plan for retirement, especially when facing unexpected expenses and emergencies. Have you ever wondered if the savings you've worked so hard to accumulate will truly be enough to safeguard your dream of a peaceful, carefree retirement, or could a single unforeseen event unravel everything? Retirement isn't just about reaping the rewards of your labor. It's a phase that demands meticulous preparation to handle life's unpredictable challenges. In this journey, we'll uncover smart financial strategies to create a retirement plan that's not only sustainable but also adaptable, ensuring tranquility and comfort no matter what surprises come your way. Join us as we explore the secrets to turning your retirement dreams into reality, ready to withstand any storm life may bring. The reality of unforeseen expenses in retirement. Retirement is often envisioned as a time of relaxation and freedom, but the reality can be far more complex due to unexpected expenses that can significantly strain your financial resources. These costs, which can arise without warning, have the potential to disrupt even the most carefully crafted retirement plans. Understanding and preparing for these unforeseen expenses is crucial to ensuring a secure and comfortable retirement. One of the most significant sources of unexpected costs is medical expenses. As we age, health issues can emerge suddenly, requiring treatments such as surgeries, long-term care, or specialized therapies. These can lead to substantial financial burdens, even for those with comprehensive health insurance. Many retirees are surprised to learn that insurance often does not cover all expenses, leaving them responsible for out-of-pocket costs, co-pays, or treatments not included in their plans. For instance, dental care, vision services, or experimental treatments may fall outside standard coverage, forcing retirees to dip into their savings. Without a financial buffer, these medical expenses can quickly deplete funds earmarked for other aspects of retirement. Another common area of unexpected costs is home maintenance and repairs. Over time, homes require significant upkeep, and major repairs often come without warning. A leaking roof, a failing electrical system, or damage caused by extreme weather can demand immediate attention and carry hefty price tags. For retirees living on fixed incomes, these expenses can be particularly daunting, as they may not have the cash flow to address them promptly. Delaying repairs can lead to even costlier problems, making it essential to have a reserve fund for such emergencies. Perhaps one of the most overwhelming financial challenges in retirement is the cost of long-term care. As individuals age, they may require assistance with daily activities, whether through in-home care, assisted living facilities, or nursing homes. These services are among the most expensive costs retirees face, often costing thousands of dollars per month. The need for long-term care can arise unexpectedly due to declining health or mobility issues, catching many retirees off guard. Without proper planning, such as long-term care insurance or a dedicated savings plan, these costs can rapidly drain retirement savings, leaving little for other needs or emergencies plus. To navigate these challenges, retirees must adopt proactive financial strategies. Setting aside an emergency fund specifically for unexpected expenses is a critical step. Additionally, exploring insurance options, such as supplemental health plans or long-term care policies, can provide a safety net. Regularly reviewing and adjusting retirement budgets to account for potential risks can also help ensure financial stability. By anticipating and preparing for these unforeseen costs, retirees can protect their financial security and enjoy their retirement years with greater peace of mind. Building a robust financial safety net is crucial to safeguard your retirement plan from unexpected financial shocks. One of the cornerstones of this safety net is an emergency fund. Ideally, this fund should cover 6 to 12 months of living expenses and be held in an easily accessible account, such as a savings account. This ensures you can address urgent needs without dipping into long-term investments, which could incur losses if withdrawn during market downturns. By maintaining a liquid emergency fund, you protect your retirement portfolio and preserve your financial stability during unforeseen circumstances. Another powerful tool is a health savings account, HSA, if you're eligible. HSAs are designed to help you save for medical expenses with remarkable tax advantages. Contributions are tax-deductible, earnings grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. As healthcare costs often rise significantly during retirement, an HSA acts as a strategic buffer, allowing you to cover medical expenses without draining other savings. By prioritizing contributions to an HSA, you can build a dedicated reserve for future healthcare needs, ensuring that unexpected medical bills don't derail your retirement plans. Additionally, securing a suitable life insurance policy is a vital component of your financial safety net, particularly if you have dependents or outstanding debts. Life insurance provides a financial cushion for your loved ones, ensuring they are not burdened by financial hardship in the event of your passing. This is especially critical during retirement, when your income may be fixed, and your family's financial security could be at risk without proper protection. By carefully selecting a policy that aligns with your needs, you can offer peace of mind to both yourself and your family. Together, these strategies, maintaining an emergency fund, leveraging an HSA, and securing life insurance, form a comprehensive financial safety net. They empower you to navigate unexpected challenges with confidence, ensuring that your retirement years remain secure and fulfilling, no matter what surprises life may bring. By proactively building this safety net, you can enjoy the retirement you've envisioned with greater peace and stability. A well-crafted investment portfolio does more than just grow your wealth. It provides the flexibility to navigate unexpected expenses and financial emergencies, ensuring stability during retirement. To achieve this, 3 key strategies stand out: diversification, liquidity, and long-term growth. Diversification is the cornerstone of a resilient portfolio. By spreading investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can significantly reduce risk. Each asset type responds differently to market fluctuations, so when one sector falters, others may hold steady or even thrive. For instance, while stocks may offer high returns but carry volatility, bonds typically provide stability. Real estate, meanwhile, can serve as a hedge against inflation. This balanced approach helps shield your portfolio from market turbulence, creating a more predictable financial foundation for your retirement years. Liquidity is equally critical. Unexpected costs, such as medical emergencies or home repairs, require quick access to funds without incurring substantial losses. To address this, allocate a portion of your portfolio to highly liquid assets, such as money market funds or short-term bonds. These investments can be converted to cash swiftly, ensuring you have the resources to tackle urgent needs without disrupting your long-term financial goals. Maintaining liquidity means you're prepared for life surprises while keeping your broader investment strategy intact. Finally, prioritizing long-term growth is essential to sustain your financial security throughout retirement. A portfolio overly focused on safety may fall short against inflation, eroding your purchasing power over time. Striking a balance between risk and reward is key. Incorporating growth-oriented assets like equities ensures your wealth continues to expand, even in later years. By aligning your investments with your risk tolerance and time horizon, you can achieve steady growth that outpaces inflation, preserving your lifestyle and financial independence. In summary, a flexible investment strategy hinges on diversification to mitigate risk, liquidity to address immediate needs, and long-term growth to combat inflation. By integrating these principles, your portfolio becomes a powerful tool, not only for wealth accumulation but also for providing peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy retirement with confidence and security, no matter what challenges arise. Navigating the complexities of retirement planning can be daunting, but partnering with professionals can provide clarity and confidence. Engaging experts such as financial advisors, estate planning attorneys, and retirement planning specialists ensures that your retirement strategy is comprehensive, personalized, and adaptable to life's changes. A financial advisor is a cornerstone of effective retirement planning. By assessing your unique financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance, they craft tailored strategies to secure your future. Whether it's optimizing investments, managing savings, or adjusting plans to accommodate life shifts, such as career changes or unexpected expenses, a financial advisor provides personalized guidance. Their expertise helps you stay on track, ensuring your retirement plan evolves with your circumstances while maximizing financial security. Equally important is the role of an estate planning attorney. These professionals specialize in creating critical legal documents, such as wills, trusts, and powers of attorney, to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. By establishing a clear estate plan, You minimize the risk of family disputes and reduce potential legal costs for your heirs. An estate planning attorney also helps safeguard your legacy, offering peace of mind that your intentions will be honored, even in complex family dynamics or unforeseen circumstances. Retirement planning specialists bring a deep understanding of the financial intricacies specific to retirement. From tax optimization to insurance strategies and withdrawal plans, these experts help you make informed decisions to enhance the longevity of your savings. They analyze factors like inflation, healthcare costs, and market volatility to design a plan that ensures both security and sustainability. By fine-tuning withdrawal strategies, they help you avoid depleting funds prematurely, allowing you to enjoy retirement without financial stress. Collaborating with these professionals transforms retirement planning from a daunting task into a structured, achievable goal. Their combined expertise empowers you to address uncertainties, protect your wealth, and build a retirement that aligns with your vision. By seeking professional guidance, you not only prepare for the expected but also fortify your plan against the unexpected, paving the way for a retirement filled with confidence and tranquility. Maintaining peace of mind in retirement. Retirement isn't just about financial planning, it's also about embracing life with a peaceful heart, free from unnecessary stress. It's a time to slow down, restore balance, and focus on what truly matters. One of the most important ways to stay at ease is through regularly reviewing your retirement plan. Your financial situation, health, and personal goals can change over time, so it's wise to revisit and adjust your plan when needed. A flexible plan allows you to adapt confidently to whatever life brings. In addition, managing stress is key to maintaining a calm and joyful retirement. It's natural to worry about the unknown, but you can ease your mind by living a healthy lifestyle, practicing mindfulness, or simply talking and sharing with friends and family. A little support can go a long way. And most importantly, remember that retirement is your time. Savor each moment, whether it's reading a good book, traveling to new places, or tending to your garden. With a solid financial foundation, you'll have the freedom to enjoy these moments fully, without worries holding you back. Retirement is not an end, it's a new beginning. Live it with peace, joy, and purpose. Retirement is a beautiful stage of life, a time to enjoy the rewards of years of hard work. But to truly embrace retirement with peace of mind and financial freedom, preparing for unexpected expenses and emergencies is absolutely essential. We can't predict the future, but we can plan for it. Building a solid emergency fund is one of the smartest steps you can take to protect yourself from unforeseen situations like medical bills, home repairs, or helping loved ones in need. Additionally, making use of savings tools such as health savings accounts, HSA, can significantly ease the financial burden of healthcare costs in your later years. Investing wisely is also a key component of retirement planning. A well-diversified investment portfolio, tailored to your risk tolerance and personal goals, can help grow and preserve your wealth effectively over time. And remember, seeking guidance from professional financial advisors can help you avoid costly mistakes and make more informed decisions. With thoughtful preparation and the right strategies, you can look forward to retirement with confidence, security, and a genuine sense of freedom, ready to enjoy life, no matter what it brings your way. Thank you for watching until the end. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to apply it in your life. Your feedback means a lot to us, so don't hesitate to share. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating valuable and inspiring content for you. Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.